Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to deep dive into professional use cases used by professionals using Google Notebook LM. The first one is researchers and academics. This group deal with vast amounts of information and need to synthesize complex ideas. So if you are a researcher, you can use it for literature reviews. You can upload dozens of research papers and ask Google Notebook LM to identify common themes, conflicting theories, and research gaps, which is going to save a lot of time for you. And it can also turn course materials, lecture notes, and textbooks into study guides, quizzes, and even interactive audio lessons for students. So, if you are a researcher and academics, this is going to help you a lot. The next one is for writers and content creator. So if you are someone who likes to write, if you are a journalist or copywriter or novelist, if you are someone who produce content, on organizing information and generating new ideas, then it is going to help you a lot. So you can upload research articles, interview transcripts, and notes to quickly generate a structured outline for a new piece. And you can also use it for creative writing and also for creating podcasts and video scripts. You can upload a collection of sources and use the AI to generate a podcast style audio overview or a script for a video that synthesize key points. So if you are a writer and content creator, you can follow these steps. The next one is for business and marketing professionals. So if you are someone who likes to gain a competitive edge and streamline your workflow, then you can use it for competitive analysis, strategic planning, and sales enablement. So what you can do is you can upload your competitor reports, marketing materials, and website links to get a synthesized report on their strengths, their weaknesses, and market positioning. And also you can use it for strategic planning. You can upload marketing research, internal reports, and company goals to generate a briefing document that identifies new opportunities or potential risk. Let's go to the next one. If you are a legal professional, then what you can do is you can review your documents. You can upload contracts, discovery documents, and legal precedents to quickly summarize key facts and extract relevant clauses. Now let's go to the next one. This is for students. Students are one of the biggest user groups as NotebookLM acts as an ideal study partner. So you can upload your study guides, lecture notes, and textbook chapters to automatically generate study guides, flashcards, and practice questions. You can also keep research notes in one place to find citations and information for their papers. And also if you want Notebook LM to explain some concepts, you can also use it. So this is for students like you. And the next one is for consultants and project managers. So these are the people who are working in some corporate organizations or some businesses. These professionals are masters of information synthesis. They take disparate documents, client notes, meeting transcripts, reports, and email and turn them into cohesive strategies, and project plans. So you can follow these steps. A project manager can upload all meeting transcripts and ask the AI to generate a list of all key decisions and action items along with who is responsible for them. This replaces manual note taking and ensures the team stays aligned. So if you are a consultant or a project manager, you can follow these steps. And the next one is for software developers or IT consultants or QA testers. Code based documentation. A developer can upload API documentation, technical guides, and architecture diagrams for a project. They can then ask natural language questions like what are the parameters for auth.login brackets function question mark, or what is the process for setting up testing environment without sifting through hundreds of pages. So this is for code based documentation. And if you want to investigate some bug, when a bug arises, a developer can upload bug reports, error logs, and related code snippets. NotebookLM can help them to analyze the information to identify recurring issues or suggest possible solutions based on past fixes. So this is for software developers and QA testers. Let's go to the next one. So if you are a trainer, an educator, or a human resource professional, you can also use NotebookLM tool. A corporate trainer can upload a mix of internal documents, industry reports, and best practice guides. They can then use the AI to generate a new training module, create a quiz for the end of a session, or turn the material into a podcast for employees to listen to on the go. And this is for human resource professionals. Upload a comprehensive company handbook. NotebookLM can be used to generate and frequently asked questions for new employees or a quick summary of a specific policy for an employee's question. And also, a manager can upload one-on-one notes and performance reviews for a direct report. They can then ask AI to summarize Alice's biggest accomplishments this quarter or identify any recurring blockers Bob has mentioned. So you can also use smartly if you are a HR professional. The next one is financial advisors and investors. Upload client tax returns, bank statements, and investment reports. NotebookLM can analyze the data to provide a holistic view of a client's financial situation, identify spending patterns, and suggest investment strategies. So, if you are a financial advisor, you can you can get a lot of valuable information like this. Upload quarterly earning reports from multiple companies in a sector. The AI can then compare the performance, identify key growth drivers, and summarize the market outlook, which is invaluable for making informed investment decisions. Okay, and this is for customer support managers. So if you are a customer support manager working in some business environment, this is going to help you a lot. Upload all product manuals, troubleshooting guides, and past support tickets. NotebookLM can create a searchable knowledge base that support agents can use to find answers quickly, leading to faster and more accurate service. So whenever you upload all the product manuals, troubleshooting guides, and other support tickets, ask NotebookLM to create some insights and frequently asked questions. And once you get frequently asked questions, if there is a new joinee in your team, give that information to them. They can learn from those details and they can work smartly. Training and onboarding. A support manager can create a notebook with all the essential training materials for new agents. The AI can generate a study guide, a list of common customer problems, and suggested solutions which help new hires get up to speed much faster. So as I just said, you can use all this information to come up with various documents so that the new joinees can learn from this information and they can work smartly. And the last one is human resource professionals. HR professionals deal with complex policies, employee data, and training materials. NotebookLM helps them manage this information and streamline their workflow. Let's say, for example, recruitment. Upload job descriptions, resume, and interview transcripts. The NotebookLM tool can help a recruiter identify the key skills and experiences required for a role and compare candidates to the job description, which helps streamline the hiring process. So these are some professionals that are using NotebookLM and they are getting a lot of valuable insights and information. So if you are someone who is out of these 12 professionals, that is also absolutely fine. You can upload your documents and come up with valuable insights to get your job done. I really apologize guys, I've took a lot of time to make this video. I know it's a longer video, but I had to make it because it has got a lot of valuable information that I want to cover in this video. I really hope that this real life use cases through NotebookLM helped you a lot. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.